again. This is Lauren Baker. She's not as perfect as Katie Bowerson, but she is pretty goddamn close.
Hey, where's our other PSM?
Check her out.
In Vegas.
Hot ass. Alright, here's speaker number 1, speaker number 2. And me, I do what I want. Ready? First word. Cover your eyes, cunt!
Go that way. Hi. What? Monkey. No, shut the fuck up.
Excuse me?
What, Ian? Was she here, dude? I don't know. What Ian said that his parents were going to yell at him next door.
Is that calling out?
Yes.
Sorry, I don't know.
How's it not here? Oh, you weren't. Oh, I was there.
I'm bigger.
I'm gonna cut myself. Vertically. No.
Alright, it's Aaron and Katie. Aaron and Katie, not Aaron to the line and Katie to the line.
What?
It's not funny! You're wasting precious film.
I cut
Paper.
with very nice.
That girl.
Wow, why did you put that one, crapper?
I don't know. I needed another one. Oh, that should have been it. Fuck, I hate myself.
Oh my god, it's like Holland Shake on TV.
Alright, pay attention. Focused. Pick a team.
What
Is
Why would you
what
pick
is it
like
to
have
mad love pessimist you
Okay, it's manly men. Ready? Here's the next one. It's manly men.
I
love
my
good
blank.
the
For
of
us
our
this.
public?
What the fuck did you just say?
What are you talking about?
Alright, we hugged in the kitchen.
Huh?
We hugged.
Best friend?
Besties.
These are the best.
How could you not know? Alright, you're not going to get this one. Close your eyes. They're not going to get this one.
Will I get it?
Yeah, you'll get it. Yes.
The
Ernie Beckery?
that
Someone?
handle. Not quite.
Oh, fuck my
That
leg.
is close.
Two.
Mine.
And
Donovan.
Elmira.
Wait, how did we get
Close your eyes.
What?
Becca.
Sucks.
Last.
Tonight.
Tonight?
In the dark in the
In the pitch black.
Oh, yeah, in the 4 seconds. Cock.
I got it though.
Baker loves cock.
21 Bessie.
Except for Ian's isn't big enough.
Soccer.
His mom yelled. 'Cause
You're a whore.
you're a whore.
You're a dirty whore.
When you think Tim McGraw.
I hope you think